Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a big border, beautiful collection, a very rich and excellent design, a contrast pallu, dark brown color pallu, it is almost a maroonish brown tinge maroon, and we have big flower design all over the pallu, closely weaved, very elegant design in gold zari, and same color blouse piece, pallu color blouse piece, and the saree here is in beautiful dual tone, almost a honey color, a goldish honey it is. The maroon and yellow is mixed, golden yellow is mixed to get a beautiful shade with beautiful design buttas as well, and we have a big 10-inch border with maroon base color, and we have very big buttas, the rangoli type buttas with meena work. Excellently crafted design, beautiful saree with authentic silk work, completely handmade collection too. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a very beautiful big border collection with very elegant rangoli design, a famous design launched in our version. We have a beautiful pallu, contrast dark brown shade with mild maroon tinge, excellent gold zari work in the pallu, rich pallu with same pallu color blouse piece, a contrast one for the body. The body is very beautiful, light honey color, a golden honey it is, light brown also we can tell. Goldish yellow mixed with the dark brown to get this beautiful shade, and we have a very elegant buttas that is done using golden zari and a 10-inch big border on the base pallu color itself with a beautiful big rangoli design done in golden zari, and we have a beautiful meena work in the green and dark blue colors. Excellent collection, completely handmade with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a very beautiful big border, elegant collection, new launch. Beautiful contrast pallu. Here we have a wine color pallu. Magenta pink is mixed with black to get a beautiful wine shade. A very elegant pallu too. Golden zari work all over. Elegantly done one with same color plain blouse piece. The blouse piece also have the jari running in the borders, and we have a very excellent color for the saree. A peacock neck blue color without the green mix here. Elegant small buttas all over the saree, and we have very big 10-inch border with the rangoli pattern, big size round shaped buttas with the meena work. You can see the opposite color threads, green and blue used inside the zari work, and the butta is really beautiful. You can see the peacock design, a very famous beautiful design relaunched in our version with authentic silk work, completely handcrafted collection too. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a big border, traditional and beautiful collection with contrast colors. The pallu is contrast here, dark pink color, beautiful pink shade, a fuchsia pink it is, very elegant one. You can see the work, big floral design, golden zari work is done all over the pallu with meena work, which gives a beautiful look to the pallu, and same pallu color blouse piece. The saree is also in pink shade here, a light pink, dual tone, half white and mild pink shade is mixed to get a beautiful tone here. You can see both light shade as well as dark shade on the saree with small floral design buttas all over, done using golden zari again, and we have very beautiful meena worked buttas in the borders, rangoli pattern, very elegant one. The opposite colors are used for the meena work, golden zari, big buttas, very elegant saree, and the pallu color is given for the base of the borders. Excellent collection with authentic silk mark, a completely handmade version too. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a borderless collection in very beautiful trendy tree design buttas and a contrast pallu. Here we have a beautiful peachy pink shade, almost an onion peel pink color pallu with very beautiful gold zari work, and same pallu color blouse piece, very elegant color, complete pastel shade saree with the pastel combination pallu as well. The saree is almost an ivory shade color, beautiful one with very light tussar tinge, very elegant buttas also, tree design, both silver and gold zari is used in a single butta, almost like a meena work, very elegant one, a borderless concept, completely hand woven beautiful collection with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful different trendy design buttas sarees, borderless concept in a very elegant and beautiful combination colors. Here we have a deep olive green shade color, a saree with butta, that is a tree design, and we have both silver and gold zari in it, kind of meena work, very beautifully crafted, big butta size it is, elegantly done one with the contrast pallu and blouse piece. The pallu and blouse piece are here, purple shade, gold and silver zari again, beautiful pallu, and we have same pallu color plain blouse piece. The tassels are already made, and the saree is very beautiful combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful borderless collection. The new design buttas in both silver and gold zari. And here we have a very excellent and always demanded Rani pink color saree with mild gold tinge. You can see the beautiful pink it is. And the butta design is also a very different design here. Dual zari is used, both silver and gold, almost a meena work. Very elegant tree design, trendy one too. Completely handcrafted, beautiful design with an Ananda blue color, bright pallu. The pallu color is given for the blouse piece also, and the pallu design is also beautiful. And the pallu tassels are already made. The combo is very beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection with very elegant tree design, trendy pattern in a excellent combination colors. Here we have a light green, almost a light apple green shade, beautiful color, a radiant color. And you can see the buttas. Buttas have both silver and gold zari, almost a meena work concept. Very elegant, beautiful design, trendy design butta it is. Completely handcrafted, borderless design. And we have a Ananda blue color, blouse piece and pallu. Pallu is also a very elegant gold zari work one with plain blouse piece. Combination green and blue always goes very well, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful, trendy design, tree design butta sarees in an excellent combination colors. Here we have almost a navy shade pallu and blouse piece. Very elegant gold zari work in the pallu also. Pallu tassels are already made, and here we have a dual tone for the body color, almost a goldish tone it is. Beautiful color, almost red is mixed with light mango yellow to get a beautiful shade here. Beautiful buttas also. You can see dual tone, dual zari used in the buttas, almost a meena work. Beautiful tree design as well. Borderless concept, completely hand woven. Beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Here we have a new launch, a very beautiful new design, differently done, using all three zaris, the copper, silver as well as gold zari. A very mild and very beautiful saree it is. A dual tone color, peacock neck blue with very mild green color mix, that is almost a teal shade color. Very elegantly a stripes pattern is being done along with a double border that is done in a golden zari. You can see double borders on both sides, and we have a tri zari concept. Gold, silver as well as copper zari is used here. Vertically the stripes pattern is done using very little mango and a different geometric design. Beautiful work all over the saree. It comes in this way, and we have a contrast pallu as well. It is a red pallu with vertical zigzag lines pattern weaving, and we also have meena work in the pallu using silver zari, and same way the pallu color blouse piece is given with the double border concept in the blouse piece also. Excellent concept, new launch, very elegantly hand weaved with authentic silk work. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a beautiful new launch in a stripes pattern. Tri-color zaris used, all three, like the copper, silver as well as the gold zari is used in one particular saree here. And here we have a beautiful colors too. And we also have a double border. You can see the borders on both sides, that is done in a very elegant copper zari here. And the saree color is almost a red and yellow mix, which gives a beautiful dual tone color to the saree, a mango goldish with a red tinge, and it is very, very beautiful. With the stripes pattern, very differently it's been weaved. You can see the butta design, mangoes as well as a vertical stripes pattern is very elegantly done in all three zaris, the copper zari, silver zari and gold zari. Alternatively, all over it's been used. Very beautiful, mild as well as very rich, very beautiful combination color too. With a red pallu, a deep red color, almost in a maroon shades, lighter starting shade with zigzag work, and we also have meena work in the pallu with the same color blouse piece. Excellent saree, beautiful hand weaved one with authentic silk work. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful dual heart design sarees, a trendy saree in a borderless concept, completely handcrafted, beautiful design. And here we have a dual tone color for the body and the pallu, all in the same color. Yellow mixed with green, it gives a beautiful light green shade with yellow tinge on it, a goldish green color with gold and silver zari buttas. Both zaris are used in single butta and it's a dual heart in shape. Very elegant weaving, perfect weaving too. And we have a pallu in same color of the body, rich pallu, completely gold and silver zari used for the weaving in the pallu with plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made, a very attractive color saree with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku. A very beautiful borderless collection in an exclusive color. Here we have a brown with mild maroon shade, very elegant one. Dark color, you can see the black var which gives the darkness to the saree with a dual heart design, and the design is done using silver and gold jari. Very beautiful design, dark saree, so it looks very beautiful on the dark base. Elegantly handcrafted with a borderless concept. Same color pallu. And pallu also have beautiful zari work, very grand design, silver and gold both used here with plain blouse piece in same color. Completely handcrafted, trendy saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku. A very beautiful design, borderless concept sarees. A trendy butta, gold and silver zari used for the butta weaving. Dual heart, two heart in shape design, and it is done using gold and silver. Finally handcrafted, beautiful design. The saree is in dual tone, yellow, a bright yellow mixed with pink to get a beautiful tone. It is goldish yellow with pink shade, very elegant one with the same color blouse piece and pallu, no contrast concept, and we have the golds and silver zari pallu as well. Excellent collection with plain blouse piece. The color of the saree is very pretty and very different with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku. A very beautiful collection, trendy, dual heart in shape buttas. Very different and new design with copper and silver jari work buttas. You can see the jari used, both are used here with the borderless concept. The saree is in a pastel shade. Pista green mixed with crimson half white to get a beautiful light tone of green, and the same color is the pallu also with a very beautiful dual tone color in the zari, both copper and silver mixed to get a beautiful tone with plain blouse piece. Excellent collection for the pastel lovers, completely handcrafted beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku, borderless collection, single color, beautiful sarees in a dual heart design, trendy design sarees here, gold and silver zari both used in single butta, dual heart design, heart in shape, and we have a borderless concept. The saree color is very different one, purple and lavender mixed one, dark lavender purple shade, and we have same color blouse piece and pallu. Pallu also have a very beautiful rich design, excellent elegant one with plain blouse piece. Completely handcrafted, beautiful design with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku. A very beautiful borderless collection with very elegant and trendy design buttas, dual heart in shape, silver and gold both sarees used in a single butta. A finely hand weaved beautiful saree in a light onion peel pink shade, a very beautiful different shade of pink, and we have both gold and silver zari in the pallu also, mostly gold zari used, and a rich pallu with plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made, a very elegant rare collection color with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku. A very beautiful collection, trendy dual heart in shape design, buttas in the saree, borderless concept, a bright orange here, mild rust mix bright orange it is, with the dual heart design buttas. The buttas are done using both silver as well as gold zari. Finely hand weaved saree, beautifully hand weaved with a beautiful pallu too, rich pallu, completely gold zari work with the silver zari in the borders of the pallu, and we have plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made, a very rare collection, beautiful color saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku, borderless collection with very elegant dual heart in shape design, a trendy and beautiful design saree. Here we have a beautiful dark purple shade dark purple mixed with black to get a beautiful tone. It is jamun fruit dark shade. It is with very elegant copper and silver zari used for the butta designing. Aravatam, you can see the finish, and it is really visible and beautiful on this particular dark color. Borderless concept and finely handcrafted, very elegant design. And we have a copper zari weave in the pallu also. It's a rich and grand pallu with same color blouse piece. A very elegant saree, excellent dark shade color for the dark lovers with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double barku, a rich border, beautiful collection. In copper zari and silver zari work. And here we have a beautiful combination. A pink saree, beautiful pink shade, sweet pink color with very elegant small buttas. The buttas are having meena work done in the opposite zari color, copper and silver alternatively used. All over the saree the butta works comes. And we also have a beautiful rich border in both sides. That is also done in the plate type. That is copper zari is maximum used, and one side we have the thin border in pallu color, and one side we have silver zari border. Beautiful and rich jacquard weaving it is with very elegant contrast peach color, peachy pink color pallu, and pallu also have the same work, copper and silver. We have plain blouse piece in same border design. The pallu process is already done, and we have a beautiful combination here, completely handmade with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double work. A very beautiful jacquard weaving, very different rich border collection in copper zari work. Here we have a beautiful pink shade color, mild lavender shade pink, beautiful color it is with small design buttas. The buttas have meena work, copper and silver alternatively used, and meena work done in the opposite color. Finely hand weaved beautiful collection with a very rich border design. Copper zari used for the border, and the both sides of the border we have silver zari one side and pallu color one side, thin border. And the pallu is a beautiful blue here, light blue color with very elegant copper zari work, and we also have the pallu color blouse piece. The beautiful jacquard weaving border runs in the blouse piece also. A beautiful and pastel shade combination here with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double work. A beautiful copper zari border, a very different jacquard weaving border it is. A rich border collection with dual tone color body. Here we have yellow mixed with green to get a beautiful tone. Blue is mixed with yellow actually to get a green tone here. Pista green tone is here with very elegant goldish look on the saree with two different buttas. Copper zari and silver zari are done in the meena work. Alternatively for the buttas, tiny beautiful buttas that are completely the border is used in the both sides of the saree. Copper zari border, on one side we have pallu color, another side we have a silver zari ending in the border. Excellent, very rich collection, and we have a very contrast blue, a light blue shade, Ananda in a lighter version blouse, pallu and blouse piece. In the pallu here also have copper zari work, and we have blouse piece also in the pallu color. The combination is very pretty with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, very beautiful rich border collection in beautiful color shade combination. Here we have a dual tone color for the body. Green and blue is mixed here to get a beautiful tone. Green you can see as well as blue on the saree. Very elegant one. With small buttas. Buttas are done in very beautiful way that it has a meena work. Silver zari is alternatively used for copper and copper for silver. Meena work done. You can see single butta, both zaris. Excellent one with both sides with a beautiful border design as well. It's a copper zari border with one side silver border and one side the pallu color border, and pallu is a contrast blue here, light shade of Ananda blue with copper zari work, and again we have silver in the vertical borders and pallu color plain blouse piece. The tassels are already made. The combination is beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, border, rich border collection in excellent combination colors. Here we have a very beautiful goldish yellow saree, beautiful one, looking almost like a gold one. Excellent one. The copper zari is used for the butta as well as the border here. Silver and copper alternatively used. Meena work done in alternate colors as well. With a very rich border. Copper zari used for the border. On one side we have the silver zari concept. And the thin border is given in the pallu color also. And pallu is a very beautiful contrast rust color. Copper zari work in the pallu as well with the vertical silver borders. Same color blouse piece. The combination is beautiful. Very eye-catchy and ever lovable combination. Completely hand-woven saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc. A very beautiful, rich saree collection in an excellent combo colors. Here we have a beautiful navy blue color saree, excellent shade. The buttas are small buttas, musical type. Copper and silver used here, alternatively silver and copper. A meena work done in the small butta design. The butta design comes all over the saree, also beautiful design, and we have the elegant jari borders in both sides. The copper jari is used here mainly, and silver jari in one side, and the thin border in the pallu color is also given. A rich border design sarees. And the pallu is also really rich here, violet shade, beautiful one, black and magenta pink mixed color with copper jari work in the pallu, and only in the edges we have the silver jari. The same border design is in the pallu as well. The pallu tassels are already made with plain blouse piece. Blouse piece also have the rich borders which can be used for the sleeves. Elegant combination, a dark shade combo for the dark lovers with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A beautiful border collection in copper zari work. Rich border collection it is, using copper and silver zari. Here we have a parrot green mixed with mild yellow. You get a beautiful goldish parrot green color, very elegant and attractive color saree with small buttas, meena work done in the buttas in the opposite color zari. Copper zari used for silver and silver used for copper. Very beautiful small buttas, and we have the beautiful border design in both sides. That is also done in mainly copper. On one side we have the silver zari border. Excellent one with a very contrast pink, a sweet pink with mild crimson mixed color. Very beautiful one. Copper zari one mostly used, and vertical borders we have silver zari. Same color, blouse piece is given. The blouse piece also have the beautiful borders. Rich collection, very different and excellent color combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful border design sarees in copper zari work. Excellent dark shade colors. Combination is very beautiful. Dark purple color, black and purple mix, dark black purple. It is very beautiful, and the buttas are very visible on this color. Copper zari and silver zari used for the butta weavings. Excellent meena work. The opposite color zari is used for the meena work, and the border is a extra advantage of this saree. Very beautiful, rich border. Copper zari is used, and one side we have silver zari as well. And we have a very contrast, dark bottle green color. Pallu also have the copper zari work, and vertically we have silver zari borders and beautiful plain blouse piece with the zari borders in both sides. The combination is very elegant for the dark saree lovers, with dark color lovers with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A beautiful rich border collection in copper zari work. Here we have beautiful color, a rust color saree, rusty orange, bright rust it is. Very elegant buttas, small buttas, and it is having meena work. The opposite zari color is used as a meena work in the buttas. Finally, beautifully done all over the saree. The butta work comes, and we have a rich border that is mainly in copper zari, and we have one side the silver zari border. Both sides the border design is grand, and we have a beautiful combination of light green mixed with the orange to get a different shade of green. It is, you can see the glossy green with copper zari work pallu, and we have plain blouse piece in same pallu. Very beautiful dual shade for the pallu. An excellent saree with authentic silk. Completely hand woven saree. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very rich border collection in copper zari work, copper and silver. Closely weaved beautiful design buttas all over on a bottle green, very elegant saree. You can see the buttas, meena work done in buttas. Opposite zari color is used, copper used for silver and silver used for copper. Excellent design, and the border is a very beautiful rich border here. Copper zari border with both sides we have horizontal border design that is done in silver and the pallu color. And pallu is a very beautiful and different red and brown mixed color, dark brown, coffee brown and darker shade with copper zari work pallu. Vertically we have silver given for the border, the pallu design, and here we have the plain blouse piece in the pallu. Pallu also have the same blouse piece, is also having the border design which can be used for the body and the sleeves. Elegant one. The combination is also unique with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful copper jari work, excellent sarees here, 1000 butta concept, very elegant, musical small buttas done in a meena work. You can see copper jari and silver jari alternatively used, meena work done in the opposite jari color. Beautiful dark blue color, royal blue and a darker shade with a very elegant border design which gives a rich look to the saree. Copper jari work border with one side we have silver closing and other side we have the blue body color. And to the contrast we have a pink mixed with black to get a deep tone pink color with copper and silver jari work, elegant look. The border design is given in the pallu also and blouse piece as well. Beautiful combination. The pink is very different, rare color. The combination is also rare and beautiful and attractive too with authentic silk. Completely handcrafted collection. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Rich border collection. Very different, rich border with beautiful combination colors. Here we have a pink saree, light lavender tinge pink it is. Beautiful pastel shade with very elegant copper and silver zari buttas. Meena work done in the opposite color. All over the saree the butta will come. Beautifully hand woven with a very elegant border, mostly copper, and one side we have silver border as well. On both sides of the saree this border comes with a beautiful and different green pallu. The green have a pink mix. You can see the glow, light pink glow on the pallu with same color blouse piece. The combination is beautiful and very different with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful small musical butta concept in a copper jari finish work. Excellent border design, very grand, rich looking sarees. Here we have a light sandal and brown mixed color, half white color saree, pastel shade with beautiful copper and silver jari. It's alternatively the meena work is done all over the saree. The butta design comes with a very elegant border, mostly copper, with one side pallu color and one side silver jari border. Very rich one it is. Grand looking saree in the pastel shade with a excellent combination here, brown and gold mixed color pallu. Copper jari work is looking really fantastic on the pallu also. Very grand pallu with plain blouse piece. The blouse piece also have the same border designs. An excellent combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful borderless collection. 1000 butta concept, very different and beautiful sarees here, rich as well as elegant. And you can see the butta design, small buttas all over the saree. 18 in a row vertically. Copper and silver zari is alternatively used, original copper. Same color pallu. This color of the saree is also a pastel beautiful shade, grey and half white mixed color. You can see the very beautiful elegant pallu design, copper zari used for it, and we have plain blouse piece in same color. Excellent pastel tone, completely handcrafted with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful 1000 butta concept sarees in a borderless concept. Very beautiful small buttas done using silver and copper zari. Original copper is used here. Small buttas all over the body. And the saree is a beautiful light blue and mild green mixed color. Very elegant. A copper sulphate blue shade. Beautiful one with same color pallu. Pallu also have the copper zari work. A beautiful design. Very dazzling. Beautiful pallu with plain blouse piece. Elegant color with authentic silk mark. Completely handmade collection. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful 1000 butta concept. A very fast moving beautiful collection in an exclusive dual tone color here. A rare and beautiful combination here. Excellent shade. A deep maroon is mixed with light orange to get a beautiful rust color here. A reddish rust. Very elegant one with both silver and copper zari work. Very elegant buttas. Vertically we have 18 buttas in a row and silver and gold are alternatively used. All over the saree the butta work continues, which is very pretty, a rich collection, borderless concept, and complete saree is in single color. Even the pallu, you can see the copper zari work in the pallu also with the just vertical borders in silver, and we have plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. A beautiful collection in a very rare combination color, and it comes with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. 1000 butta concept, beautiful sarees in an excellent color. The complete saree is in single color here. The pallu, the blouse piece and body is completely dark, deep forest green color. Something more than bottle green. Excellent color, deep color. The buttas are very visible on this dark base color. Very elegant one. Dark algae color also you can call. In Tamil it is called as pasam, pasa color. And gold and silver jari buttas are used here. Very closely it's been weaved. 18 buttas vertically. Elegant one. Borderless. And the pallu is also very pretty. Gold zari worked pallu. This is just the vertical borders. We have silver jari. Plain blouse piece is given. In same color. Very elegant saree with authentic silk. Here Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double arc. 1000 butta concept, beautiful sarees in a single color, no contrast here. Complete saree, the pallu as well as blouse piece is in same color with very elegant buttas. Vertically we have 18 buttas in a row. Gold and silver is alternatively used. Beautiful Kanji take elegant buttas, small and beautiful it is. All over the butta work comes. The saree is very pretty and very grand too. Borderless concept, and we have a gold zari pallu here. The vertical borders are done with silver zari. Very elegant and beautiful, simple and elegant pallu and same color. The saree and the complete saree pallu and blouse piece are in a very beautiful pastel shade. It is something between Rama green and the turquoise shade. Very elegant and pastel shade it is. Green with authentic silk.